Hi guys, in this video let us learn how to upgrade the packages. So generally, you have a custom requirement where you want to download a request package. So if we try to right click and show context action, so this will generally install the latest package present for the request module. So we generally require a custom module, that is request is equals to 2.3. So if we want to install this particular package, so let us go to the command prompt. So this is my current working directory where I am into C, public, PyCharm projects and vlog. So let us go to the virtual environment of this particular directory. So now let's take a notepad and try to use the requirement.txt. So in the requirement.txt, we'll just mention it, that is version, that is 2.3, and save this file and exit it. So now in order to install the, that is request 2.3, so let us use pip install -r for requirement. So let's use the requirement.txt. So you can see the, that is in the package was already cached, and you can see successfully installed 2.31. So now certain requirements, so we change the request.module. So if the new and stable version has arrived, that is 2.32, and we want to upgrade this request module to 2.32, so what we do is we again go to the, that is virtual environment directory, and again edit the requirements.txt. So in order to upgrade this from request 2.31 to 2.32, so let us change this and let us try to use the same command, that is pip install -r, and let's use the requirements.txt. So you can see, so this was already downloaded, that it was cached, and we have already installed this. So generally what happens is 2.3.1 will that is 2.31 will uninstall, and it will get upgraded to the 2.32. So this is how you try to generally upgrade a library or a module or a package in Python. So you can see over here, so you have, once the indexing is done, so you can see no error present over here. So what we did in this video was, so we upgraded the package, that is module request module, to 2.31 to 2.32. Yeah, so that's it on in this video. So hope you liked it. Thank you for watching. Bye.